Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are exploring an ancient Daoist text called The Inscription of Restoring True Qi by Qiang Mingzi from the Tang Dynasty. This text is a treasure trove of philosophy, meditation, and life cultivation practices. It combines theory and method to guide one toward longevity, health, and spiritual refinement. In the preface, the author shares his personal journey. As a young man, he dreamed of fame and glory, seeking wealth, honors, and recognition in the world. But life did not unfold as he hoped. He realized that worldly success is fleeting. Honor is like sparks from flint. Wealth like foam on water, gathering and dispersing in an instant. Disillusioned, he turned to the Tao of immortality. For 20 years, he traveled mountains and caves, searching for masters of Daoist practice. On Mount Hai, beneath tall pines, he met a mysterious master who recognized his potential and taught him the arts of stretching, contracting, breathing, and revising the body. He was forbidden to teach these techniques to anyone for 24 years. He practiced diligently and found every teaching to be effective. Only after the period ended did he compile them into a new inscription for future generations.
Part 2. The Doctrine of Primordial Qi. The text explains that before Qi was divided, the three powers, heaven, earth, and humanity, shared a single source. When clarity and turbidity separated, each retained its essential essence. Heaven models itself after the human, and humans, in turn, model themselves after heaven. The author emphasizes that our destiny lies within ourselves, not in heaven or external fate. 没修行 Qi leads to early decline. Cultivating it properly prolongs life. When Qi is balanced and the body is calm, the spirit is at peace. Qi governs everything: growth, decline, birth, and death. Emotions, excessive joy, anger, or conflicting desires disturb Qi and cause blockages, which manifest as illness. Refining yang energy to dissipate yin allows Qi to circulate naturally, awakening the spirit and resolving afflictions. Part 3. Methods of cultivation. 1. Daoyin. Before practicing breath techniques, the body must be prepared. Daoyin exercises include stretching, twisting, arching the back, shaking limbs, and massaging key areas like the face and lower abdomen. These exercises open channels, loosen joints, activate circulation, and prepare the body and qi for deeper practice. Think of it as a combination of warm-up, stretching, and internal energy activation. 2. Breath regulation. Next comes breath regulation. Inhale gently through the nose, directing the breath to the lower dantian line located below the navel. Exhale softly through the mouth, like silk threads. When qi feels blocked, the text advises using the he sound to expel turbid energy. This technique harmonizes qi, stabilizes the spirit, and removes internal obstructions. Correct breath and focus are essential for energy circulation and long-term vitality. 3. Embryonic breathing. Patience, admiration breathing. This is subtle, deep, internal breathing that imitates a fetus in the womb. During practice, you swallow saliva intentionally, guiding qi to the dantian ti. 36 cycles constitute one session. Advanced practitioners can reach hundreds or even over 1,000 cycles. Mastery of embryonic breathing restores the practitioner to a prenatal state, nourishing internal organs, refining energy, and promoting longevity.
Part 4. the way of non-action. The ultimate goal of cultivation is wu-wei, or non-action. This is a state where you act effortlessly, without forcing anything, yet nothing remains undone. Achieving no thought means abandoning deliberate striving. The mind is calm, desires vanish, and qi and spirit flow naturally. In this state, one experiences profound harmony with the Tao, physical and mental tranquility, and freedom from the disturbances of ordinary life. Conclusion to summarize. 1. Philosophy. Your destiny lies within. Life and death depend on how you cultivate qi, not on fate. 2. Methods. Practice Daoyin, breath regulation, and embryonic qi breathing to harmonize qi, circulate energy, and nourish the spirit. 3. Goal. Achieve effortless unity with the Tao, free from thought and desire, attaining spiritual clarity, physical health, and longevity. This ancient text provides a complete system of Daoist internal cultivation. It combines wisdom, method, and practical exercises, perfect for anyone interested in health, meditation, and spiritual growth. Closing. Thank you for joining me in exploring the inscription of restoring true qi. Whether you are interested in Daoist philosophy, meditation, or longevity practices, this text offers profound insights that are still relevant today.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and save it to your favorites. And of course, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your perspective.